There's a young girl in town who's taken up prostitution as an enterprise, as a business. And she's quite successful at it. But she does it on the side so nobody in the house knows about it. And one day, the police come and they take them all the prostitutes out of the brothels over there, and they line them up in the street. And the grandmother's walking along. She sees the granddaughter in the lineup over there. She says, what are you all doing here? He says, well, they're giving out oranges over here, and I came over to get a free orange. She says, oh, in that case, I'll get an orange too. And the grandmother goes to the end of the line. And finally the police come to her, the grandmother, they look at the grandmother and says, Grandma, what you all doing here? She says, well, I understand they're giving out oranges over here. She says, well, Grandma, you know what this is? Yeah, I know what it is. How are you going to operate? How are you going to... Grandma, what are you going to do with the oranges? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dentures out, I'm going to bite into it and suck it dry.